Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math algebra problem. And here we have 2 to the power of n plus 4 to the power of n plus 8 to the power of n equals to 14, and we solve this problem for the values of n. So here we use the very different technique in order to solve this problem. So here first we convert this exponential equation into the cubic equation. So after that we make the factors of cubic equation and we get our final answer. So first we rewrite the given equation and we have 2 to the power of n plus here you have 4 and we write it as 2 squared and its whole power n plus we have 8 and we write it as 2 cubed and its whole power n, and it is equals to 14. And now in the next step we rewrite this equation as, because here we use the exponential law, and you know that if we have exponent to the exponent, then we interchange these two exponents and we get the same answer. So that here we need to interchange these two exponents and we write it as 2 to the power of n and its whole square, plus we interchange these two exponents and we write 2 to the power of n and its whole cubed equals to 14. And now we convert this exponential equation into the cubic equation by taking 2 to the power of n equals to y. So that here we take y equals to 2 to the power of n, so that the above equation implies that y plus y square plus y cubed, and we move this 14 in the left hand side, it is minus 14 and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step we rearrange this equation and we write it as y cubed plus y square plus y minus 14 equals to 0. And now it is the important task to solve this cubic equation. So now we solve and you know that we have different methods to solve this cubic equation. So in which the one method is you use here the synthetic division and you make the factors of this equation. So now here we make the factors of this equation by a unique method. So here we rewrite this equation in the form of, first you have y cubed and now we write this y square as minus 2 times of y square plus 3 times of y square. So you know that when you subtract minus 2 and add plus 3, then you get plus y square. So it means that we write y square in this form. And similarly we will write this plus y as minus 6y plus 7y, and you know that minus 6y plus 7y equals to plus y, and now you have minus 14 equals to 0. And now this is the very important step we can do here. So now we easily make the factors of this equation. So now first you take common y square from the first two terms and you obtain y minus 2, and now you take common plus 3y from the second two terms and you get here y minus 2, and now you take common plus y on the last two terms and you get y minus 2 equals to 0. And now you focus on this equation and you see that we have y minus 2 be the common expression, so that we take common y minus 2 from this each term. So you get y minus 2 times of y square plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. So now we have two cases. So our first case is to write or is to solve this equation. Is our first case is y minus 2 equals to 0, and the other case is we take y square plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. So now in the first case we get the value of y equals to 2, and in this case we solve this case and we easily get the values of y. So that here we use the quadratic formula in order to find the values of y, because this is the quadratic equation. So now first we write the coefficients of this equation, and we have a equals to 1, b equals to 3, and c equals to 7. And our quadratic formula will be written as in the form of y equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula, and we will get its output in this form. Y equals to, the value of b is 3, so it will becomes minus 3 plus minus 3 square, and 3 square will be 9 minus 4 times of ac. So our a is 1 and c is 7, so 4 times of 7 equals to 28, and its whole square root divided by 2 times of a, and the value of a is 1. So that now we simplify the terms and we move towards our final answer. So here you have minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 28 equals to minus 19 square root divided by 2. And in the next step, you see here we have a negative sign becomes under the square root, and you get here square root of 19 into iota over 2. So now we because here our target is to find the value of n, so now we back substitute the value of y. So in the start of the problem we take here our y equals to 2 to the power of n. So now we back substitute this value of y, and we have 2 to the power of n equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 iota divided by 2. So because we find the value of n, so that here we take the log on both of the sides. So when we take the log on both of the sides, then this expression will becomes in this form: minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 iota divided by 2. So in the left hand side we use the property of logarithm, and we move this n in the front of this log, and you get n times of log 2 equals to log of minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 into iota divided by 2. So now we move this log 2 in the right hand side, and you get the value of n equals to log of minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 iota divided by 2, and this whole term is divided by log of 2. So here we use the property of log, and we write this expression as log of base 2, and its exponent will be minus 3 plus minus square root of 19 into iota divided by 2. So this is the two complex values of the given question. And now we have the in first case you have y equals to 2. So when we back substitute the value of y here, then you obtain 2 to the power of n equals to 2, and when we compare both of the sides, then you easily get the value of n equals to 1. So this is the our third root of this question. So we have these are the two complex roots, and n equals to 1 be the real root. So these are the three roots of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.